Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports NFC and turning it on. This prevents wasted steps. Open your chosen NFC writing app and grant any required permissions, then select Write or Create Tag. Choose the NDEF type and the payload format, URL, text, or MIME, because the tag behavior depends on that choice. Once done, name the record and set any access or lock options now so you don't repeat writing later. Move to the next slide when the app shows ready. You now compose the tag payload carefully. This is where the tag will derive its action. Choose URL for web links, text for notes, or MIME for app-specific data, and then type the content exactly, because encoding errors break recognition. Make sure to pick UTF-8 for text and correct MIME type if needed. If the app supports intents, select App Launch and specify package or intent data. Once configured, preview the payload and confirm that the app reports a valid NDEF structure before writing. You're ready to write? Place the tag on the device's NFC area and tap Write. Keep steady until the app confirms success. After writing, immediately use the app's read feature to verify the exact payload and test the behavior. Open the URL or trigger the app action to ensure it works. If all is good, decide whether to lock the tag or set a password. Locking is permanent, so choose wisely. If writing fails, try new tag placement, toggle NFC, or clear the app cache and repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.